package from Wish today. It's from, look at that pretty cool stamp from China Post. It's from Wish. Ordered it about 2 weeks ago. It finally showed up. Get my trusty knife out here to open it. Hopefully I don't cut into it. And let's take a look. Cut. Okay, what we have here is a Crkt eating tool. Get this knife out of here. It's not about the knife, it's about the package right here. Trying something new. I'm using a TV tray with a phone stand and my phone on it so I can use both hands. Alright, what we have here is ID Works Crkt eating tool. Pretty neat little, I guess I just broke that strap. Alright. It's a rugged stainless outdoor spoon, fork, bottle opener, screwdriver, pry tip, 10mm, 8mm, 6mm socket wrench, and a carabiner. Model number is 9100C. Stainless steel. Note, carabiner is non-weight bearing. You cannot use it for climbing, just carrying. And that is a small freaking carabiner. Limited lifetime warranty. It's black. It says Crkt right there. Eating tool. Let's get into her. Shows you everything it can do. Let's set that off to the side. It is stainless steel. It's got a good weight to it. I mean, nothing fancy. Carabiner is really small. I mean, when they said carabiner was coming with it, I figured, hang on, let me grab one. I figure I got an extra one around here somewhere. I don't know what happened to my other ones. Okay. Anyways, I figured something like this would have came in it. I mean, look at the size comparison. I mean, not much bigger, but this one. Alright, since this one's new, it's got a little bit of a spring in it compared to my old one, which still got a little bit of spring. Get the old one out of here. But these two that I got in my hand, I mean, you'd think it would have came with something a little bigger, you know? These are for a hammock, so they're load bearing. I mean, I'm not going to put this on to this because I don't want it to be too big. So, those are not going on. Although this one might go on it. But anyways, back to the eating tool. I've always wanted one of these. As summer will be coming around. Good to take camping. Or when I get some what the hell was I thinking now? Freeze dry kits. I'll have something to use it with. Other than that, I think I paid $3 for it on Wish. It was free. I just had to pay the $3 shipping. A little scratch right there. Right there. Pry bar, or what was it called? Pry tip, sorry. So that's when you open your cans, you can pop that in there and pry it up. Obviously your spoon. Your fork. Oh, that's your screwdriver / pry tip. Let me get this carabiner off of here. That's your screwdriver / pry tip. Bottle opener. So you would use it like that. You'd stick your finger in the hole, hold it like that, and you would scoop. Right? It doesn't feel like it's bending. I really don't want to bend it and break it. According to this, it is stainless steel. As you can see, right there, stainless steel. So that would be your 10mm, 6mm, your 8mm wrenches. And then a hole. I think that's where the carabiner is actually supposed to go, if it actually fits in there. Yeah, fits in there. So that's where your carabiner is supposed to go. They had it over here. Other than that, I'm pleased with my purchase. Again, I bought it off of Wish, wish.com. You can download the app in the Google Play Store. I buy stuff off there at least, I'm going to say at least once a week. I still have another package coming. I've ordered plenty of stuff off of that website. I'm happy with the results so far. I haven't really gotten anything bad off there yet, except maybe one or two things. I ordered a couple bike lights and yeah, they broke like 2 days later, so I only paid $1 for them. But other than that, I'm happy with the way the quality is. I would definitely be trying this out, so there will be an updated video coming about how it works. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.